This is Harman with the Luxury Listing Group. Today we're going to be talking about 5 good reasons on why you should know the value of your property. Let's find out right now. If you're new here, we teach you how to buy, sell, and invest with confidence. Hit that like button and let's get started. Tip number 1, Homeowners Insurance. When you purchased your home and drew up an insurance policy, it most likely covered what you paid for your property. But after a few years of paying off your mortgage and doing some upgrades to your home, it has likely increased in value. In this case, it might be time to reevaluate your homeowner's insurance policy. Knowing your home's value will make sure you're covered for the cost of its full value if something were to happen, such as a hailstorm that just recently happened in Calgary. Tip number 2, property taxes. Your property tax bill is based off the assessed value of your property and the factors such as the property size, construction type, age, and the location of your property can also affect it. If you think your municipality has appraised your property value way too high, you can actually appeal your tax bill. Tip number 3, home equity. When you recall your purchase price and the mortgage amount paid, you'll actually be able to calculate how much equity you have in your mortgage at that point. When you surpass the point of more than 20% of what you owe in your mortgage, you may be eligible to take a home equity line of credit. This loan uses equity as collateral and can be repaid on a fixed interest rate. You can use this fund to give you more financial flexibility, such as to get financing to start home improvements that are going to add even more value to your home, or even as a down payment for a second investment property. Likewise, if you're thinking of refinancing so you can capitalize on today's low mortgage rates, the more equity you have in your home, the better your chances are to qualify for a more desirable long-term loan. Tip number 4, home improvements and repairs. Knowing your home's value is so crucial. This is going to help you decide if the upgrades you're about to do are going to be worth it in the long run. You want to understand where your property value is starting at, as this will give you a good basis on determining where you would like to do on your renovations. Tip number 5, selling your home. The Luxury Listing Group will provide a comparative market analysis based off your home type and the current market situation. This is going to help you decide whether to place your home on the market now, or we can simply rent it off for you. When you know your home's value, you can be confident in setting a saleable price your realtor and yourself as a homeowner will be comfortable with. We don't want to list your house just as a listing to keep it on the market for the next 6 months. It's definitely not worth it, folks. If you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to myself or my partner Ishmael, and our phone number is 403-978-7332, or visit our website at luxurylistinggroup.com. Again, luxurylistinggroup.com.